There we go. So, Daddy is very impressed about her hiccups. Oh, that was a burp. A good burp. Daddy is very well impressed.
That's gotta be cute.
You know, hiccups are very tiring. Mostly in a newborn.
Mostly
In a newborn.
they're very embarrassing when you're trying to give a presentation.
Yeah, did it happen to you? Maybe.
Kind of.
Yeah, so yesterday she had many and I didn't quite know much what to do to stop them. So Daddy is enjoying his role of burping the baby after mommy feeds.
Yeah, I don't know what we do about hiccups. Do we give you a scare? No more milk? No more milk?
No more boobs! No more boobs! Wrigley sausage.
How about you hold your breath and count to 1,000? Slide pinch your nose.
Daddy's mean. She's putting like, why are you laughing? This is not nice. But she's doing incredibly well in comparison with yesterday. Because yesterday I couldn't do that. And she was all over the place, very wriggly, and putting really angry faces. I'm not sure what to do to stop the hiccups. You know, the hiccups apparently come for when they swallow air as well, apart from the colicos, I think. No, sorry, when they eat very quickly. Yeah, that was the thing, I think. She just wants to eat my whole boob, really.
I don't think they really know why anyone gets hiccups. So, involuntary spasms of the diaphragm.
Uh-huh. No, they're not well, they are involuntary, but they are arrhythmic or contrarhythmic. The diaphragm contracts usually with the normal inflation of the lungs. At a certain point, you change that pattern, and it goes the other way around. So that's when you have the hiccup.
Is that why they say to hold your breath and stop your lungs from...
Yeah.
Let's just lie you back in there, babe.
Uh,
That's funny.
Actually, maybe the other way around, just lying her, putting your hand in the tummy and making her being
enough further forward.
With one hand in the chin and the other one in the tummy.
I can't pat her back.
No, it's not for patting her.
I need to pat her back to blame her.
But You've burped it already. She burped, didn't
So
she?
but she has, yeah. But you know, she was saying if she still kind of has froth at the mouth.
Mm-hmm. So maybe sometimes what they do is they just put them on the bed, on the side, so they don't choke on the saliva. And when she starts feeling uncomfortable again, then you lift her again and burp her again. Instead of keep burping her until we sort it, you just sort of give up for a little bit. When you change the position, the gas inside moves.
Lay it down a bit and see how she reacts to that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, lovely, lovely big eyes you have.
Yeah, let me see now. Oh, so nice. She's super alert. Some more visitors we have. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Shall we just stop the video?
It's okay.
Well, at least she's not crying.
Yeah, she's quite comfortable.
That is also very comfortable.
It's like a little toy teddy bear with a squeezy thing in the middle that goes, phew.
She's tired though. That's it worked, I think.